Hello everybody, I'm Christopher Coppola. I'm visiting your country from Los Angeles. It's a beautiful country. And we're going to do an explanation of what PAH is, P-A-H, PAH, Project Accessible Hollywood. And some of the concepts that we created, cell phone art and your tent portraits. So my point is, if people start learning how to use this stuff to tell stories, you can actually make a big movie yourself. You don't need to go to Hollywood. You can use the iMovie, which we're going to show you, Final Cut, and these cameras. The technology exists for you to make your own movie and share it with the rest of the world on the internet.
Do you do some acting?
Me?
Yeah, are you an actor?
No.
No? Sculptor?
Close.
Painter? Poet?
All of the above.
All of the above. Filmmaker?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So you're an artist traveling.
Have another guess.
You're another guess? All right, hold on. We have you drink coffee?
No. Do you want a few clues?
Yeah, give me some clues. So you're here with the festival. You're a tourist?
Have another guess.
Okay.
I don't know all the relaxing you get to do when you've caught your fish, you know?
It's
just coming back, coming home.
Coming home. Thank you for taking the time.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, so we got a bunch of shots. Now what we're going to do, we do this.
For your kitchen tonight.
Okay, good. I don't know. It's not going to be like it'll be a tasting thing, but we're going to show my New Mexico biker chef that I made there, so you'll see like a real big, huge meal I made. Giant. I'm like Robin Hood. I have all kinds of fire and spits and rabbits. And, yeah, I like all that.
They will bring out the salad soon. They didn't have a large one.
Okay, so like that, that's what's there for. I put my knives, my spatula, they're all there. Wham.
Hope this will do.
What?
Hope this will do the show.
How's that look back?
Smell it. It's homemade for you ordered it.
Tarragon vinegar, yeah. It's not bad. I'm just waiting for some music, waiting for the fire, and everything I have here is not what I'm used to. It's all stuff I don't even, except I know a lobster, but it's going to be interesting. It's different. And I always keep all my tools right here.
When is the last time you saw Nicolas Cage?
Well, he and I, you know, I probably don't really want to say, but we don't really talk too often. We used to be much closer than we are now. We have different reasons for doing what we do. We were probably about 5 years since we've actually kind of done anything positive together. But I saw him 2 or 3 weeks ago, unexpectedly, and if we lingered any longer than we did, we probably would have killed each other. Yeah, there's a lot of not good stuff going on. But I love him though. I wish him well. He's a very talented actor. I just, you know, I don't have time for stardom. You know, that's all.